Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to fill text with the pattern in Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, create a new layer and type any text. Press Ctrl T on your keyboard, hold Shift, drag on your mouse, and hold Ctrl Align Middle. Click Move tool, then Align Middle. Okay. Click the effects, blending options. You can use direct pattern overlay, change pattern, or import pattern. Texture fill, color paper. Okay, or example, I want to use texture. Select the texture, scale of texture, deep. Okay, soft, size, soften, contour. Follow the shape. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.